Welcome to a guided visualization experience inspired by the Japanese practice of Shinrin-Yoku, or forest bathing. Your intention is to reground, realign, and recharge your soul. We will be using the Shinrin-Yoku to invite a connection between the heart, the mind, the body, and the soul. Place a drop of Shinrin-Yoku on your heart and in the palms of your hands. You can also put a couple of drops in your diffuser and take a moment to inhale the aroma of this invigorating oil. Choose a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, holding your palms up, and close your eyes. We will begin by taking 5 cleansing breaths. Ready? Breathe in. As you take your next breath, choose to be fully present. Breathe in. This next breath, breathe a little deeper. And again, breathe in. Good. Feel your body relax. Feel your body relax completely. Relax your toes, your ankles. Relax your knees and your legs. Relax your torso, your arms and fingers. Relax your neck. Relax your head, your jaw, and relax all the muscles in your face and your ears. Even relax your eyes. Everything surrenders to being weightless in this moment. Breathe in again, slowly and deeper. In your next breath, as you exhale, you will exit this dimension and enter the realm of nature. In this moment, a scene of the forest will be calling to you. Whether you're deep in a forest surrounded by tall mountain evergreens or in the middle of the oaks and the aspen, visualize your forest. You may be by a river or a lake. Choose your scene. Find a spot that calls to you in this scene. A comfortable spot where you can just rest for a while. You may want to stand in this beautiful forest, or you are welcome to sit or lie down. Place yourself into these surroundings with gratitude and with a choice of stillness. Bathing cleanses the physical body, and forest bathing cleanses the soul. As you immerse yourself into forest bathing, this forest will teach you and cleanse your soul. Look around and admire the beauty surrounding you. Take a deep breath and fill your lungs with the fresh air. Does it feel cool or does it feel warm? Fill your lungs completely and allow the air to cleanse your body as it brings a new form of oxygen to every cell in your body. The air around you is clean and crisp. As you breathe in, you can smell the trees. You can smell the barks and the grasses and the soil. Your lungs fill a little deeper with each breath. You can feel the difference in this air. You can feel any negative energy exiting through the exhale, and there is freedom and light in each inhale. Breathing feels so good. Allow this air to cleanse your organs, your tissues, your cells. You can feel your heart accepting this new oxygen. This air is fortified by nature. This is the air you will breathe today. As you continue to breathe, your attention turns to the ground underneath you. Whether it's your hands or your feet that are in the dirt, touch the earth. Feel it in your hands or under your feet. There is an energy, a frequency that flows into your body from the earth. Feel it. It nourishes you emotionally, mentally, spiritually, hormonally, and in any other way you need. Pure nutrients from the earth flow into every part of your body at this time. This is complete nourishment. You notice your face warming by the sun peeking through the trees. Its light cascades over your body and you can feel the power of the sun. Allow its light to absorb into your body. It brings a new energy, a new hope, a new feeling of excitement for living. It is warm and safe and full of goodness. Feel the light pouring down on you from the sky and feel the nourishment flowing up through your body from the earth. Now you have cleansing breath. You're full of nourishment and light, and your attention turns to the sounds around you. You can hear the birds. There may be buzzing bees or animals moving under brush. Feel the gentle breeze and hear the rustling of the leaves. Connect with the symphony of nature sounds, allowing them to wash over you and bring you a sense of calm and peace. You look deeper into the forest around you. You're now allowing yourself to fully be immersed in the experience. Pay attention to the textures and the sensations around you. Notice the bark of the trees. There's a wisdom there. There's an experience of weathering winter storms and standing tall in the warmth of spring. There's a tree next to you. Run your fingers along the rough bark of this tree. Feel its strength and its stability. You can feel its root system and its great experience. This noble tree has a message for you. What is this message? What does the tree want to teach you in this moment? Place this message in a special place of your mind so that you can recall it throughout your day. Notice the different shades of green in the foliage and take in the vibrant colors of wildflowers or moss-covered rocks. Notice the grass and the life that scurries beneath it. There's so much in the forest that goes unnoticed until we pause to look closely. There is a great order here, an entire ecosystem of life. Although busy, it is quiet and peaceful. It has not question of purpose, only intention and commitment to fulfill every measure of its creation. There's a message here for you. What is this message? take this message and place it in a special place in your heart so that you can recall it throughout your day. You begin to notice the butterflies and the insects. This whole world that normally goes unseen, it is beautiful and purposeful, and you are glad to recognize it. You can feel the joy of every creature fulfilling its creation. You are aware of your surroundings, all of them. You feel a sense of gratitude for the beauty of nature and for this moment of tranquility. You know that you are an important piece of nature's design. You can feel its approval. You can feel its love for you. You can feel the importance of the oneness of your breath with all that is around you. You and the forest share a heartbeat. In this moment, there is power. There is strength. There is surrender. There is understanding and purpose in all that you are and all that you are becoming. There is belief and inspiration to fulfill the measure of your own creation. This immersion in the forest is igniting new energy in every cell of your body. You feel excited and you feel peaceful at the very same time. You have a new knowing, a new state of being that is supported and safe. Stay in this state of relaxation and submersion for a few more moments, allowing the power of nature to nurture your body and your mind. Know that you can return to this place of calm and tranquility anytime you need to reconnect yourself with your inner peace. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to reorient yourself to your surroundings. Feel that you have shifted into a place of peace and well-being and excitement as you go about your day. Breathe in the Shinrin-Yoku. Anchor to its connection to your soul. Remember that the forest is always there, ready to welcome you back whenever you need it.